हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल नर्सिंग एडुकेशन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे माइक्रोबायोलॉजी एंड इट्स टर्मिनोलॉजी। तो चलिए सबसे पहले हम लोग देखते हैं व्हाट इज माइक्रोबायोलॉजी एंड द इम्पोर्टेंट टर्मिनोलॉजी यूज्ड इन द माइक्रोबायोलॉजी। एट फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज माइक्रोबायोलॉजी? Microbiology is the science which deals with the study of microorganisms. Next, what is medical microbiology? Medical microbiology is the study of causative agents of infectious diseases of human beings and their reaction to such infection. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं ब्रांच ऑफ मेडिकल माइक्रोबायोलॉजी। देयर आर डिफरेंट ब्रांच इन माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, सो वी विल स्टडी सम फ्यू ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स। फर्स्ट, बैक्टीरियोलॉजी, स्टडी ऑफ बैक्टीरिया। पैरासाइटोलॉजी, स्टडी ऑफ पैरासाइट। माइकोलॉजी, स्टडी ऑफ फंगस। वीडियोलॉजी, स्टडी ऑफ वायरस। इम्यूनोलॉजी, स्टडी ऑफ मैकेनिज्म ऑफ इम्यूनिटी। एंड द लास्ट इज जेनेटिक्स, स्टडी ऑफ हेरिडिटी एंड वेरिएशन। नेक्स्ट हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्मिनोलॉजी यूज्ड इन द माइक्रोबायोलॉजी। फर्स्ट वन इज एसिड फास्ट, द टर्म अप्लाइड टू ए बैक्टीरिया which retain a strain even though treated with acid and alcohol. This is called acid fast. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं acquired immunity. Any type of immunity which is not inherited is called acquired immunity. Next, active immunity. The production of antibody by an individual is called active immunity. Next हम लोग पढ़ते हैं aerobe. An organism that grow in the presence of oxygen is called aerobe. Next, anaerobe. Organism that grow in the absence of oxygen is called anaerobe. And the sixth one is antibody. A globulin produced in the body in response to antigen or foreign body is called antibody. Next हम लोग पढ़ते हैं antigen. Substances which when introduced causes the body to produce antibody is called antigen. And the next is antiseptic, are substances which prevent the growth of bacteria called antiseptic. And the ninth is antiserum, immunoserum, a serum containing antibody against particular organism called antiserum. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं antitoxin, an immune serum which neutralize the action of toxin called antitoxin. As you know, anti means opposite and toxin means toxin. So immune serum which neutralize the action of toxin called antitoxin. And the next is aseptic, free from living microorganism called aseptic. And the 12th one is attenuated, living but non-virulent called attenuated. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं ऑटो इन्फेक्शन, एन इन्फेक्शन ऑफ एन one part of the body by bacteria derived from the some other part of the body called auto infection. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं Bacillus, rod shaped bacteria called Bacillus. नेक्स्ट है Bacteremia, a condition in which when bacteria are in the bloodstream but do not multiply there, this condition is called bacteremia. Bacteremia is the condition in which bacteria are in the bloodstream but do not multiply there. In this condition is called bacteremia. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं bactericidal, agent lethal to bacteria called bactericidal. And the 17th one is carrier, one who harbors a pathogen without any manifestation of infection. This is called carrier. Next, capsule, an envelope that surrounds certain bacteria called capsule. 9. And the next is chemotherapy. Chemotherapy as an important to disease, treatment of disease by administration of drugs which destroy the causative agent of the disease but do not injure the patient is called chemotherapy. And the next is communicable. Next is communicable, capable of being transported from one to another, means disease which can transfer from one person to another person. This is called communicable. Next one is culture, growth of microorganism on nutrient medium, either artificial or on living cell, is called culture or culture medium. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं कन्वुसलेंट कैरियर। कन्वुसलेंट कैरियर, अ कैरियर हु हार्बर्स द ऑर्गेनिज्म of a disease during recovery from the disease is called convalescent carrier. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं disinfectant, an agent which kills or destroy pathogenic microorganism called disinfectant. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं disinfection, the process which kills and destroy the pathogenic microorganism is called disinfectant. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं ड्रॉपलेट इन्फेक्शन, द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ इन्फेक्शन वाया माइन्यूट पार्टिकल्स और सेप्टम that have been determined into air by sneezing, coughing, talking is called droplet infection, such as coronavirus, an example of such an infection. It comes under droplet infection. Next is endemic, a disease is prevalent in a particular area called endemic. And the next one is epidemic, a disease that attacks a large number of persons in a community at the same time is called epidemic. Next, flagella, long hair-like process by which their lashing activity causes organisms to move. One or more flagella may be attached to one or both the ends of an organism completely around it. Many flagella are of different size, small and large. So large flagella help the organism movement and its locomotion. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे फैमेट्स, substances other than food may transmit infection in organism called फैमेट्स. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं फ्यूमिगेशन, एक्सपोजर टू द फ्यूम ऑफ ए गैस that destroy bacteria. Next, fumigation, exposure to the fumes of a gas that destroy bacteria is called fumigation. Next is germicide, an agent that destroy germ called germicide. Next हम लोग पढ़ेंगे immune, resistance to a given infection called immune. Next है immunity, natural और acquired resistance to a disease called immunity. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इन्फेक्शन, invasion on the blood by pathogenic agent with their subsequent multiplication and the product of disease. This is called infection. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं infestation, invasion on the body by microscopic pathogenic such as insect, refers particular to a parasite on the surface of the body called infestation. And the 36th is microscope. Microscope is an instrument used to observe microorganisms. And the next is pandemic, a very widespread endemic event worldwide extent is called pandemic. The most golden example of pandemic is COVID-19. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे पास्चुरलाइजेशन, द प्रोसेस ऑफ चेकिंग फर्मेंटेशन ऑफ ए मिल्क एंड अदर फ्लूइड बाय हीटिंग देम टू ए टेम्परेचर बिटवीन 63 डिग्री टू 68 डिग्री to 30 minutes, then rapidly cooling it. This kills all pathogenic bacteria and all this process is called pasteurization. Next हम लोग पढ़ेंगे pathogenic, capable of causing disease called pathogenic. Next हम लोग पढ़ते हैं secondary infection which occur during or immediately after one infection is called secondary infection. नेक्स्ट पढ़ते हैं सेप्टिसीमिया. सेप्टिसीमिया, द प्रेजेंस एंड एक्टिव मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ बैक्टीरिया इन ब्लड सर्कुलेशन इज कॉल्ड सेप्टिसीमिया. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं सेप्सिस या फिर सेप्टिक या सेप्सिस, पॉइजनिंग ऑफ माइक्रोब्स और देयर प्रोडक्ट इज कॉल्ड सेप्सिस। नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे टर्मिनल डिसइंफेक्शन, द कंप्लीट डिसइंफेक्शन ऑफ यूनिट आफ्टर पेशेंट हैज लेफ्ट इज कॉल्ड टर्मिनल डिसइंफेक्शन। नेक्स्ट टॉक्सिन, a poisonous agent of a plant or animal called toxin. And the next one is toxide. It is a toxin that has been treated in such a manner that its toxic property are destroyed without affecting its antibody producing property is called toxide. And the last one is sterile, free from microorganisms called sterile. These are the some important terms used in the microbiology. Thank you.